I'll be conducting a short interview to gain more understanding of how heritage has changed from past to present. So where was you born?
I was born in Somalia, but I was raised in Denmark.
Tell me something about yourself.
Currently I'm 19 years old. I'm living at home with my mum, my 2 little brothers and my little sister.
In the thing you said, you didn't mention your dad. Is that for any reason?
Yeah, my dad left my family when I was quite young actually.
So how was your upbringing like without a father in the household?
It was tough, it was very tough. Obviously I know it must have been tough for my mum because obviously raising 4 kids by herself in a different country must have been hard for her.
So how was her upbringing? What was her like?
I would say it was similar to mine, but she was obviously going through the civil war at that time. But other than me, she had a father role and a mother who supporting her at the same time.
So if you compared your upbringing to hers, what would be the main difference?
I would say opportunities, because over here we've got a lot of opportunities over here, and over there my mum didn't have that many opportunities, obviously because of the funds and things that she couldn't do, like things that she wanted to achieve while she was quite young.
Such as?
I know my mum wanted to go to school, she wanted to go to university, but she didn't have the funds or anything to support her.
So would you say you're lucky to be brought up in this country?
Yeah.
Or would you prefer to be brought up in your own traditional?
I'm definitely lucky.
I believe that my mum and dad have been really important to me in terms of